What will win in a drag race between a Hennessey VelociRaptor R 6x6 and a Hennessey Ford F-150 Venom775? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. Now let me tell you about this VelociRaptor R 6x6. So, as the name suggests, it's got 6-wheel drive. It's based on a Ford F-150 Raptor R, which means that you've got the race-prepped 5.2 litre supercharged V8 underneath the bonnet that puts out 700 horsepower and 870 newton meters of torque. It drives all 6 wheels via a 10-speed automatic gearbox. Now, to create this car, Hennessey has to do quite a lot of work. They've got to extend the load bed, they've got to put in the extra axle, lift it, this, that, what have you, just so much crazy nutty stuff. As a result, it's quite expensive. $450,000. It's also quite heavy. 3.5 tons. My God, but what an absolute monster of a machine. This is the only one in the world right now, and I'm getting to drag race it. Right, let's find out about the car truck it's going against, the Venom775. Hi Sam.
How are you?
Not too bad. How are you?
Are you just chomping on donuts?
Yeah, there's donuts in here, so it's good. Anyway, what do you want?
Some stats on your car, if you can just give us a moment, if you don't mind.
So this is the F-150 Hennessey. It's a 775 edition, so it's 775 horsepower. It's got 929 newton meters of torque. It's all-wheel drive. Gearbox is 10-speed auto. Weighs 2.1 tons. The starting price is $64,000. It's a double cab F-150 Lariat V8 4-wheel drive.
It's like you can't even be bothered. Just
chomping on some donuts, looking down, reading some notes. What engine's in that again?
So this is the 5-litre supercharged V8. Sorry, I didn't mention that. I got sugar on the screen, so I couldn't see it.
Okay, so what's the difference between these two engines then?
I don't think there is any difference really, is there?
You just carry on eating your donuts. Okay, so the interesting thing about this is that has more power. However, the engine in that is a 5 litre and it comes from Ford as a naturally aspirated 5 litre. It's a standard 5 litre that they put in loads of different stuff. However, Hennessey put on the superchargers to take it up to 775 horsepower. It's also got a 10-speed auto like this has, and while the gearbox casing and stuff is the same, the internal gear ratios are different. So this has lower ratio gears because it's based on the Raptor R. Also, that race engine, it's got 700 horsepower, so less than that, and I've got less torque. But that lower gearing and the fact it's a race engine could hopefully counteract the fact that I'm considerably heavier than he is. Let's just remind ourselves how heavy that is.
what's the weight of your truck?
2.1 tons it says.
It seems a bit light actually though, 2.1 tons. Especially as you were just in a Dodge Charger that was 2.1 tons.
Yeah, so this is 2.187 it says in the stats. Yeah, that's mad, isn't it? So either this is just the most super lightweight truck on the planet, or that Charger is the heaviest, fattest supercar on the planet. Is it supercar? V8 muscle car? I don't know.
Anyway, let's compare the stats side by side. You can see them now on your screen. What do you reckon's going to win? I don't think it's going to be as clear cut as you think, even though this is very, very heavy. One thing we're going to do first, though, is the Colway sound check, see which one sounds the best. So, I'm going to rev up my VelociRaptor R with its 5.2 supercharged V8. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
I put my window down because it sounded so good.
Can you chuck me a donut?
I can?
Come on then.
Do you want chocolate, frosting, or powdered?
I always take powder.
Yeah, you do.
You actually got it in! Where is it? It twatted me on the head. Look!
You better find that.
Where's my donut? I found it.
Look at the room you've got if you need to search for a donut. You can just move all around the cabin. That's a good feature.
Thank you very much. I wish I'd have caught that in my mouth. It was a missed opportunity.
I tried my best.
That was a really good shot. I'll have that in a moment. Shall we hear your car now? Go on.
Did I just win this?
Oh no. Nah, yours is better.
I'm not sure. I think yours is.
No, I prefer yours.
I prefer yours. I'll get away with you. Come on then.
Should we race?
Let's race. Got donut in my hair. Now, if you like these crazy American muscle car, muscle truck matchups, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss the next upload, because we've got some more American things coming to you on this channel soon. Right, now let's race. Drive mode. There we are. This might sound even louder now. Ah! Yeah, that's better. Don't throw that sticky donut at me.
It's not the first time you've said that, is it?
Here we go, come on. Got him off the line, come on, 6x6. Come on!
Come on!
Oh, he's bouncing a bit, come on! Oh, he's just coming past now.
I win!
I hope you choke on that. You just drove one-handed while chomping a donut, didn't you? I'm not sure I'm going to get a better launch than that.
I can.
What, by taking it seriously?
I am taking it seriously.
Is that your second donut?
Yeah, I feel sick.
Do you know what? I don't think I'm going to be able to beat him. I've got a really good launch. It's not going to be better than that. I guess it is what it is. Let's do the thing. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Venom won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 13.6 seconds. The VelociRaptor R took 13.8 seconds. Okay, now we have a rolling race. We're going to roll into the quarter mile from 30 miles an hour. The cars are in their normal setting, okay, and we're in automatic mode for the gearbox, so we'll see how well they kick down and then accelerate. Let's do it, Sam. 3, 2, 1, go. Blimey, this is jolting. More. Oh, I can feel me wobbly bit shake.
That's a big win.
This is really quite shaky. It's a bit bouncy, this thing.
It's a long old thing, and I think it's quite light at the back, isn't it?
Yeah, over the bumps when you're accelerating. Oh, let's try it again, but this time let's do it in second gear in sports mode. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. The added weight's going against me now. This really did benefit in that drag race with that traction. You know, the 6-wheel drive did help me, because now we're rolling, you are definitely got a much more significant gap against me, haven't you?
Yeah, and it was much quicker. Although it's got the silly little button, the gears actually work okay, but with this little button down here. But I do get to hold the gear shift in my manly way, so that was fun.
I don't know why they do that. I mean, how hard is it to put some paddles on a steering column? Why are those stupid little buttons down there?
Yeah, I think, like, don't bother or do bother. I think this is an in-between thing I wouldn't want.
Anyway, this is the last thing. I wonder if it's going to help having 6 wheels when it comes to the brake test. Should do, right? Although I have got a lot of extra weight.
It has to help, because you've got brakes on all the axles, so yeah, it should work better. It's going to be difficult for me to downshift while braking with this little button as well, isn't it?
Yeah, so don't bother. Right, let's do it. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we reach the cone, we're going to full emergency stop, see which truck stops in the shortest distance. There's 70. Coasting into 70, like. You guessed right, Sam. Well done.
And my donuts went flying. Yeah, that stopped pretty good, actually, didn't it?
considering the size and weight of it, like the extra tyres really do help. Surprise, surprise. Why were you so surprised?
And I could actually feel the rear of this truck up in the air. So it was like only my efficient braking with the front wheels. Because that's so long, it probably stayed a lot flatter.
Well, and like the man said, there you go. Great traction off the line, great traction when stopping. Just when you roll in, the extra weight and the drivetrain losses because of all 6 wheels being driven, just go against you a little bit. But wow, what a machine. And thanks to Hennessey for letting us play with this and that Venom on their drag strip. Lovely. Enjoyed that. And I think now I'm going to eat my donut. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to watch some other videos, then just click on the video windows.